Okay. That self-study topic, no? Self-study topic will one more drug is left. बाकी के मैंने सब कर दिए. Self-study means you have to elaborate those 3 drugs in each and every aspects. मतलब they belong to which category that I have explained already. Chemical name, structure, and SAR of those drugs. SAR is not there, but they have mentioned only the chemical structure as well as IUPAC name only. SAR नहीं करना है आपको, but you should know about each and every steps of those drugs, each and every aspect means metabolism, how it will get metabolized, uses of those drugs. Okay? Uses, where dose, use, plus structure and chemical name. Dose मैंने नहीं बताया. So these are not belonging to the category of any benzodiazepine or any class of chemical, but these are the miscellaneous drugs which are having capacity to treat the deficiency disorder associated with the central nervous system. कोई भी deficiency हो, these drugs are used, but particularly on which part they are used, that you should know. So that I have explained everything. The last drug is there that I will discuss today along with the anticonvulsant drug. We'll start with new topic, that is anticonvulsant. Before starting with that new topic, we'll cover up the last drug of sedative and hypnotics. Last drug जो आपका सेल्फ स्टडी के अंदर है, Ramilton. See, the last drug which is there in your self study, अरे मैं कहाँ लिख रही हूँ? So, the last drug Ramilton. ठीक है? So it is sold under the brand name of Rosarim. So this is sold under the brand name of Rosarim. Now we'll see the structure of this drug. See how many drugs we have studied related to benzodiazepine. Those are belonging to some or other category. It means the figuring out the position of carbon atom, position of nitrogen atom, any kind of heteroatom which is associated with the drug is very easy. But if the drug is belonging to other category, means we should practice the structure of that drug. Practice करना पड़ेगा हमको उस drug की, because that is not belonging to any. Suppose for example it belonging to 1,4-diazepine benzodiazepine, then it is very easy, है ना? वही class का drug है, some modification is there. Those modification if we are remembering, then we'll get the clue that how to write the structure. If it is not belonging to any category, means we have to practice. See, in heterocyclic chemistry in TYB form, what we have studied, if the molecule contain any kind of heterocyclic atom, not heteroatom, if any kind of heteroatom, the chemical property associated with that heteroatom can be merged with the cyclic system which is connected to that heteroatom. Means suppose we are studying alcohol, okay, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So we have studied in organic chemistry. If it is the functional group is alcohol agar functional group, whatever it may be the chain of molecules, suppose it is 10-member chain, okay, 10-member chain hai. If alcohol is connected to that one, then the whole molecule will become the property of alcohol. कितना भी लंबा molecule हो, cyclic atom cyclic है या alicyclic है या aromatic है, whatever it may be, if the functional group is associated with that moiety, the whole chemical property of that molecule will be alcohol, because the principal moiety is the functional group. जो principal moiety है, the chemical class will belonging to that category. ठीक है. अभी if it is alcohol, then the whole property of this molecule will become alcohol. If it is carboxylic acid, if it is COOH, this functionality will bear the characteristic property of remaining molecule which is associated with the carboxylic acid. ठीक है. जो भी मॉलिक्यूल इसके साथ एसोसिएटेड होगा उसका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक प्रॉपर्टी वही होगी जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड की है. Similarly, the heterocyclic atom also play very important role, whatever it may be the cyclic system. यहाँ पे phenol है, यहाँ पे 5 membered ring है. If it is like this, you can ask me that why this molecule won't bear the cyclic system property, because here you are having one heterocyclic atom. Heterocyclic atom is the principal moiety which is associated in the drug. अगर ये hetero atom है, if it is oxazole 5 membered ring, then the whole characteristic property of this oxirane will be the similar to this heterocyclic atom which is associated with that. ठीक है. कुछ भी connected रहो इसके साथ, property will be the similar to the heterocyclic atom which is associated with that molecule. ठीक है. See, ये principal moiety है. ठीक है. ये principal moiety है means numbering we have to start from this moiety, not anywhere from this group. ठीक है. now अब ये तो हो गया half structure. then I'm going to draw the full structure of Ramilton. One hydrogen atom is associated with it. ठीक है. now one methyl group is associated with that, then one nitrogen atom is there, on that one proton, see, carbonyl group, then here one methyl group. ठीक है. so this is the structure. now numbering कैसे देंगे, that is the main important part. so this is S configuration structure. And this structure is S configuration. ठीक है. now we'll see the numbering how to give. What I said already, I said that if the molecule, whatever it may be the ring associated with it, the characteristic property will be similar to the heterocyclic atom which is attached to the drug molecule. अभी यहाँ पे ये है. so the principal atom is the hetero atom in the 5 membered ring. so numbering we are going to start with this hetero atom 1. ठीक है. यहाँ पे quadrant rule we can't apply the quadrant rule because one ring is from that side. अगर quadrant rule apply करना है तो we can revert the structure. if we are reverting that structure, then also the quadrant rule will not going to be applicable on this molecule. if it is the case, then see where the hetero atom is present. ठीक है. here the hetero atom is there, so we'll start the numbering from this side. 1 2 3 over. now this one is associated with this, that's why 3 then will come like this. here it's 4. ठीक है. 5 6 not with this because it is associated with this one. 5 6 7 and 8. ठीक है. now 8 over and this structure is S configuration. अभी part क्या है, ये system associated with that. ठीक है. if this one is the case, here the configuration is there. here we are showing the stereochemistry of the structure, means methyl group is differently attached with this one 1 2 and this one is a 3 and this one is 4. ठीक है. over 3 parts are there in this structure and 1 and 2. ठीक है. so this is a different part which is associated with this structure and this entire molecule is differently associated with this carbon atom. ठीक है. then it will be very easy to write the IUPAC name for the structure. now I am writing the IUPAC name for the structure. ठीक है, अब मैं IUPAC नाम लिख रही हूँ. सी दिस वन इज S configuration. How to figure out that this structure is S configuration or R configuration. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी बाउंड डैश लाइन में होगा और बोर्ड लाइन में प्रोटॉन होगा उसके पास, देन सी वेदर इट इज कम्स अंडर S और R configuration. जो आपने स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री पढ़ी थी, दैट स्टीरियोकेमिस्ट्री अप्लाई ओवर हियर. ठीक है, जब R configuration आता है, देन आई विल टेल यू हाउ द स्ट्रक्चर विल कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ R configuration. अभी जब तक हम पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे इट इज ओनली S configuration स्ट्रक्चर. R configuration आएंगे तब मैं बताऊंगी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन S एंड R configuration इन द ड्रग मॉलिक्यूल. ठीक है, देन IUPAC नेम अब मुझे लिखना है, तो देन दिस ड्रग इज बिलोंगिंग टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ S configuration. नाउ आई विल राइट फर्स्ट S. ठीक है, नाउ S we are having one N over here. ठीक है, so that is associated with that structure. Configuration is associated with the nitrogen atom. ठीक है, N अब ये इसके साथ कनेक्टेड है साइक्लिक सिस्टम. ठीक है, N ऑन सेकेंड पोजीशन. ठीक है, ऑन सेकेंड पोजीशन. सी सेकेंड पोजीशन 1 6 7 8 1 6 7 and 8. Here we don't have any kind of double bond. Double bonds were not there in this structure. ठीक है, so we'll show that one 1 6 7 and 8. We don't have any kind of proton over here. We don't have any unsaturation. These are the saturated. If it is saturated, then while writing the heterocyclic, while studying the nomenclature of heterocyclic atom, we have discussed that we should give priority if the heterocyclic system is priority to the saturated carbon atom, not to the unsaturated carbon atom. Priority rule के अंदर हमको priority किसको देनी थी? We should give the priority to the saturated carbon atom which is present in that. So we should pick out, while writing the IUPAC name, we should pick out those carbon atom first, then association with that. ठीक है, but we should give the priority to the heteroatom for giving the number. ठीक है, नंबर देने के लिए भी प्रायोरिटी ये वाई भी यहाँ से भी दे सकते थे हम लोग, बिकॉज प्रिंसिपल फंक्शनैलिटी इज हेटेरोएटम. सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑनवर्ड, फ्रॉम दिस साइड. ठीक है, सैचुरेशन यहाँ पर भी सैचुरेशन है, बट सैचुरेशन इज देयर विद द हेटेरोएटम. सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड. Saturation is there, there is no heteroatom, but connection is there. So priority will give to this heteroatom, not to this one. This one ये connected को नहीं देंगे. Stereochemistry is there, priority is not there. ठीक है, फैन बंद कर दो. किसने मेरा फैन बंद कर दो. ओके, 1 6 7 and 8. ठीक है, 8 कितने हैं हेड्रा? H we can write H also, but here more than one. It means 1 2 3 4. 4 means tetra. ठीक है, टेट्राहाइड्रो. टेट्राहाइड्रो. ठीक है, टेट्राहाइड्रो. ठीक है भाई, हो गया टेट्राहाइड्रो. नाउ see here, one more proton is associated with this in front of plane of paper. Then we'll write the position of that proton also. ठीक है, 2H 2H. This is 5 membered ring. ठीक है, now this is not an indol. Indol अगर ये होता, then we would have been here, any one carbon atom should be replaced with the nitrogen atom. ठीक है, the whole ring is associated with this connection is indino. ठीक है, indino. Now ये sharing carbon atom, where it is sharing? It is sharing at 5 4 B. ठीक है, 5 4 B. ठीक है। 5,4B अब क्या है अपने पास, फ्यूरेन, 5 मेंबर रिंग, नो सैचुरेशन, ANE, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज ANE, फ्यूरेन, बिकॉज हमने पहले यहाँ पे पोजीशन ऑफ शेयरिंग बताया, उसके बाद हम लोग उसको कनेक्टेड जो मोइटी है उसका नाम लिखेंगे फ्यूरेन। देन on 8th position, this one is left, huh? Full, everything is left. On 8, alkyl group is there, we'll write on 8th position one chain is connected, L. Okay, now we'll close this bracket from this onward to this L, ethyl यहाँ तक मैंने, so here we gave 1 and 2, ठीक है, ethyl, ठीक है, ये हो गया इथाइल। देन ये जो मोइटी है यहाँ पे अमाइन कार्बोनियल ग्रुप एंड मीथेन एंड हियर वन मोर CH2, ठीक है, मीथेन इथेन प्रोपेन। नाउ इथाइल प्रोपियोनमाइड, इथाइल प्रोपियोनमाइड, ठीक है, प्रोपियोनमाइड, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग कीटोन। इथाइल प्रोपियोनमाइड इज दिस पार्ट, ठीक है, ये इथाइल प्रोपेनमाइड हो गया, ठीक है, ये जो पार्ट है बीच वाला ये इथाइल हो गया, ठीक है। नाउ दिस इज द चेन व्हिच इज associated on 8th position, then connection between this furane, then 2H which is associated with this L, indino, the full name of this molecule, tetrahydro, the saturated carbon atom present over here, then the connection, because it is nth position, that's why it is N-methyl, ठीक है। Now this is the iupactane, this is the last drug for sedative and hypnotics, sedative और hypnotic का ये था last drug. Now we'll start with the new topic, that is anticonvulsant. So remember that we are discussing the topics controlling center, in that the main part is central nervous system depressant, ठीक है। सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम का जब हम पढ़ रहे हैं, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, द ड्रग विच वेर बिलोंग, द ड्रग विच वेर हैविंग कैपेसिटी टू ट्रीट द डिसऑर्डर विच वेर associated with the central nervous system, if we are studying those drugs, we are studying almost all the disorders which were associated with the central nervous system, ठीक है। In that we have covered up one part that is sedative and one part we have covered up, that part is sedative and hypnotics, ठीक है। So sedatives are the drugs which are having capacity to produce complete sleep, and hypnotics are the drugs which are having capacity to treat the anxiety and tension and produce relaxation, ठीक है, यही है definition. So to cover up, to relax what we can say, to reduce the disorder associated with the sedative and hypnotic, some class of chemical categories were there that we have discussed in our sedative hypnotic drug, ठीक है। जब कोई ड्रग, if any drug is working on the control center, central nervous system, the similar classification we can get in almost all disorder which were associated with the central nervous system, जैसे कि हम लोगों ने बेंजोडाइजेपिन पढ़ा, ठीक है। The drugs which are belonging to the category of benzodiazepine are some acting as a sedative and some were acting as an hypnotics. In that we have studied the 9 drugs, clozapam, diazepam, oxazepam, clonazepam, all this we have studied, and 3 drugs, miscellaneous drugs which were not associated with any chemical group, but they are having capacity to treat the central nervous system disorder, that we have discussed, ठीक है। This much we have done. अभी ऐसे ड्रग हमको मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट डिसऑर्डर में, दे वेर सिमिलर टू द ड्रग्स विच वेर एक्टिंग ऑन सेडेटिव एंड हिप्नोटिक्स, ठीक है। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग सेडेटिव एंड हिप्नोटिक वी हैव डिस्कस सम इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट, इन दैट वी हैव सेड दैट दीज आर ऑल द डिसऑर्डर विच कैन ट्रीटेड बाय दिस ड्रग, ठीक है। अब these drugs were acting on the neurotransmitter, जैसे कि ये ड्रग एक्ट करेंगे न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर, because If abnormality in the transmission of signals, then these are the symptoms which were associated with the controlling center. अगर abnormality है तो ये symptoms है. To treat this symptom we are utilizing this drug. अगर ये symptom neurotransmitter के साथ में है, if the metabolic disorder of neurotransmission, then drug will act on small as well as high dose. Agar if it is on smallest dose, then least deficiency disorder associated with that can be treated. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हम लोग जो पढ़ रहे हैं सेडेटिव हिप्नोटिक्स का हो गया, हम लोगों ने देखा कितने ड्रग है जो एक्ट कर सकते हैं, कितने मिसलेनियस ड्रग है, दे आर ऑल्सो हैविंग कैपेसिटी टू ट्रीट द डिसऑर्डर. ठीक है, तो वो देखा हमने. नाउ विल सी द नेक्स्ट डिसऑर्डर एसोसिएटेड विद कंट्रोल सेंटर आफ्टर सेडेटिव एंड हिप्नोटिक्स. Sedative hypnotics हो गया, we are done with this. After sedative hypnotics, the next disorder associated with the central nervous system is anticonvulsant. ठीक है, एंटीकन्वल्सेंट में फर्स्ट टॉपिक आपका सेल्फ स्टडी है इन योर यूनिवर्सिटी सिलेबस. ठीक है, एंटीकन्वल्सेंट. सो फर्स्ट टॉपिक ये है, एंटीकन्वल्सेंट आर द ड्रग्स that are used to treat the convulsion or seizures caused by the epilepsy. Okay, epilepsy and seizure both are not different, similar to each other. Epilepsy, the drugs which were anticonvulsant means treatment of epilepsy or seizures. So different types of seizure is your self study, but I'll give the little bit introduction on different type of seizure that will help you to study these seizures by yourself. ठीक है. Now anticonvulsant, anti means against, convulsion means the epilepsy or seizure which can be treated by this class of drug which where comes under anticonvulsant agent, anticonvulsive agent or anticonvulsive drug, anti-epileptic drug. The drugs which are having capacity to treat the seizures are all same, comes under the same definition, comes under the one umbrella only, definition of one umbrella. ठीक है. Now we'll see the definition. अगर anticonvulsant particularly बोल रहा है in your drug, in your syllabus, means these are the drugs which are used to arrest the convulsion or seizure caused by the epilepsy. Arrest means treat, stop. ठीक है, convulsion को stop करेगी ये drug. Convulsions or seizures associated with the epilepsy. Seizures caused by, now this is next technical term, epilepsy. So epilepsy is generally the Greek word, it's not English. This one is a Greek word. It means seizures, seize. Epilepsy means seize. ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या है, seize और arrest. ठीक है. So anticonvulsant are the agent which are having capacity to arrest the convulsion or seizures caused by the epilepsy. So ये काम ये करेंगे. These are the drugs which will having capacity to arrest the disorder associated with the seizures or convulsion in epilepsy. ठीक है. So this is the disease and these are the drug. Convulsion is nothing but the seizures caused in the condition of epilepsy. एपिलेप्सी एक कंडीशन है जहाँ पे कन्वल्शन और सीजर दोनों होते हैं. ठीक है. These are the symptoms associated with the epilepsy. So these are the agent which are having to seize these symptoms, convulsion as well as seizure in this kind of disorder associated with the control center. ठीक है. Now coming to the part epilepsy. अभी epilepsy क्या है? This is the Greek word. ठीक है भाई, ये काम ये कर रहा है, मगर ये है क्या? What is this? What is epilepsy? Epilepsy is nothing but, ये तो ग्रीक वर्ड है, इट मीन्स सीज मतलब इसको सीज कर देंगे, इसको अरेस्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है. इट इज अ डिसीज दैट अकर्स ड्यू टू द सीएनएस डिसऑर्डर. ये होगा, हमने पहले भी बोला था, दिस इज एसोसिएटेड विद द डिसऑर्डर. दिस इज नॉट एन डिसीज, दिस इज डिसऑर्डर associated with the controlling center. ये ऐसा जैसे कि अपनी कोई सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास मोबाइल सेल है, ठीक है, मोबाइल सेल ऑपरेट करेगा अपने फंक्शन के हिसाब से, जो फंक्शन उसके अंदर इंस्टॉल है इट विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स फंक्शन. Similarly, we are different sets, like mobile only. That is man-made. This is God-made. Sets only. We are sets only. ठीक है. We are having different brain. Different brain. All students are having. My brain is different. Your brain is different. मैं ऐसे कुछ गलत नहीं बोल रही हूँ. Just I am explaining the drug associated. Everybody will think differently. Everybody's perception of thinking, perception of understanding is different. ठीक है. It is different only because their neurotransmitter will work according to their function, according to their thinking ability. Everybody is having different thinking ability, so the transmission is different. Okay, sometimes if the person is strong, he is having capacity to control the transmission. Sometimes the person is weak, it is having least capacity to control the transmission associated in the controlling center. A neurotransmitter nahi release honge. If the neurotransmitters were not getting particular neurotransmitters are having different kind of function. Gamma aminobutyric acid is having different function, then other neurotransmitters are having different function. Agar healthy hai person, then he can control his controlling power, he can control his central nervous system. If it is not healthy, then he can't control the neurotransmitters which is flowing in his body. ठीक है, अगर वो है then if they are not transmitting, it means that is a disorder associated with that person. ठीक है, to treat those disorder we are utilizing this kind of drug. ठीक है, जब नहीं काम कर सकता तो हमको एक्सटर्नल सोर्स से उसको कुछ देना पड़ेगा उसको ठीक करने के लिए. So those are called as the agent or drugs associated to treat this kind of disorder. So epilepsy is one kind of disorder which is there in some persons, not almost all human beings which were living on this earth. सबको epilepsy नहीं होगी क्योंकि सब अलग अलग है. Everyone is different. Some are associated with some kind of disease. Some person is not getting enough sleep, then then deficiency associated with his sleep. अगर उसको disorder of sleep है, if he was not sleeping well, then what we'll do, we'll give the mild hypnotic kind of drug. अब हमको पता है कि hypnotic से sleep आती है. We know as a pharmacist, we know as a doctor also know, physician also know that if we are giving this drug, then patient will go into the stage of hypnosis. So doctor know that much only, but you are more than the doctor. What you can predict the dose of that drug, how much amount of dose we should give to this patient. Okay, this patient is not a disorder associated with some kind of disease, but he was not getting enough sleep, means you have to give the hypnotics according to his ability to produce sleep. अब इसको हम लोग 5 mg ही देंगे. हमको पता है कि 5 mg देने पर सिर्फ ये सो जाएगा, नेचुरल स्लीप आएगी, देन ही विल बिकम नॉर्मल. अगर इन प्लेस ऑफ 5 mg इफ वी आर गिविंग 50 mg, ठीक है, नहीं 5 mg नहीं दे रहा मैं, 50 mg, देन यू आर नॉट अ गुड फार्मासिस्ट. You should predict the dose. पहले आपको प्रिस्क्रिप्शन को देखना है, then you have to prescribe the dose. Then on the prescription you have to write that he is not having all those deficiencies, so the 5 mg dose. If you are, then again you have to return back, revert the prescription to the physician that he was not having that. Then again he will check out the prescription, then he will give the dose according to your remarks. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट जो हम ड्रग देंगे पेशेंट को. Now here the not the case of hypnotic, not the case of sedative. Here the case is anticonvulsant stage. The case is epileptic stage. This is the epileptic stage. The epilepsy is different kind. वहाँ पर भी अलग अलग तरीके की क्लासिफिकेशन है, जैसे hypnotic और sedative में थी. So epilepsy is the condition where the disorder is associated with the control center. It is characterized formation of convulsions or seizures. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या रहेगा, सीजर्स और कन्वल्शन आएंगे. इट मीन्स दैट एबनॉर्मल बॉडी मूवमेंट, सीजर्स और कन्वल्शन आएंगे तो मूवमेंट इज एबनॉर्मल, मूवमेंट इज नॉट नॉर्मल, एबनॉर्मल. आपने देखा होगा, इफ पर्सन हैड अल्कोहल, 1 बॉटल अल्कोहल, व्हाट विल हैपन टू दैट पर्सन? ठीक है, अल्कोहल नहीं लेना है, वो गलत है, वो ये सब हमको पता है। अगर बाय चांस इफ somebody has had alcohol, means what will happen? That person will not become normal because of that dose. He will not a normal person. ठीक है, abnormal body movement, कुछ भी बोल देगा किसी को, कुछ भी मैं भी कुछ भी बोल दूंगी। if I had an alcohol, I will say anything to anyone because my controlling center is not working properly because of that dose of that drug. ठीक है, it's not working properly because what I am doing that I only don't know, others know because they are conscious persons. I am not conscious. Because of this dose I went into the stage of unconsciousness. Unconsciousness means abnormality in the stage of in the stage of convulsion and seizure. Convulsion भी आ रहे हैं, seizures भी आ रहे हैं, then it is abnormal, then it is associated with the epileptic disorder. ठीक है, लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस। देन अब ये लॉस ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस है, कन्वल्सेंट प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, देन वी आर गोइंग टू गिव द एंटी कन्वल्सेंट ड्रग, नॉट सेडेटिव एंड हिप्नोटिक ड्रग। so anticonvulsant is one kind of therapy or medication or drug the which sees the neurotransmitter or inhibit the neurotransmitters in the brain। अब ये क्या करेगी, it will work out on some neurotransmitter which will inhibit the transmission and reduce the seizure as well as convulsion. They can act on four types of neurotransmitter. We know that if channels are getting, pores of the target receptors are getting open, then entry and exit of calcium as well as potassium ion will take place. Then these metals will help to activate the neurotransmitters which were present in the system, axons। ठीक है, वो हेल्प करेंगे सिनेप्स और एक्सॉन को एक्टिवेट होने के लिए। these metallic ions which were present in the body. So those ionic balance is very important. Entry and exit of ionic channel. When entry and exit of ionic channel is proper, then the pore of target receptor will get open. टारगेट रिसेप्टर के पोर जो है, जब एंट्री और एग्जिट ऑफ कैल्शियम प्लस प्लस आयन एंड पोटेशियम आयन होगा तभी ये पोर ओपन होंगे। देन वी नो दैट दीज आर द, ऐसे हमने स्ट्रक्चर एक बार देखा था, पता है ना आप लोगों को। सो दिस इज हेड पार्ट, दिस इज अपर पार्ट ऑफ द डर्मिस, these are the tails, and here some ionic channels were there। ठीक है, so these ionic channels एक्टिवेट नहीं रहेंगे, ये अपने नॉर्मल कंडीशन रहा, so they are activating according to its। if the condition is not normal, then the pores will get closed। when the pore will get closed, we have to give activation to this pore to get entry and exit of sodium as well as potassium ion। जब entry and exit होगी, the stimulation of axon as well as synapse, stimulation होगा तो transmission proper होगा। to open this pore we are giving anticonvulsant drug। तो ये कौन से न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर पे काम करेंगे? these drugs going to act on 4 kind of neurotransmitter, inhibiting 4 kind of neurotransmitter। first neurotransmitter सोडियम चैनल्स। ठीक है, यहाँ पे कैल्शियम और पोटेशियम की बात नहीं हो रही, यहाँ पे हो रही है कैल्शियम और पोटेशियम की। कहाँ पे हमने किया था? वेल वी आर स्टडिंग सेडेटिव एंड हिप्नोटिक। द एंट्री ऑफ कैल्शियम नेगेटिव आयंस वेर एसेंशियल टू प्रोड्यूस द हिप्नोसिस। ठीक है, बट हियर इन एंटीकन्वल्सेंट inhibiting the sodium channels। ठीक है, inhibiting the sodium channel, the drugs which were inhibit the sodium channels are phenetines। ठीक है, phenetines sodium channel inhibit करेगा। I have said the 4 neurotransmitters। second one, inhibit the GABA। oh shit, inhibit the GABA। see, GABA means GABA means गामा अमाइनो बेंजोइक एसिड नहीं, जो लैब में अवेलेबल है, गामा अमाइनो ब्यूटेरिक एसिड इट इज। ठीक है, इनहिबिशन ऑफ गामा अमाइनो ब्यूटेरिक एसिड। gamma aminobutyric acid transaminase enzyme, transaminase enzyme. So here I am not talking about directly with the GABA receptor. रेसेप्टार पे नहीं एक्ट करेंगे एंटी कन्वल्सेंट ड्रग. एंटी कन्वल्सेंट ड्रग open the channels which were associated with the GABA and sodium channel. So here जहाँ पे हमने sedative hypnotics पढ़ा था, those drug acting directly on the GABA receptor. GABA receptor will mediate two kinds of classified into two types again, that is GABA and GABA B receptors. ठीक है, but here directly transaminase, it is metabolic part of GABA receptor. It's not directly on the receptor, but they are acting on metabolic part of the GABA receptor. GABA receptor sedative hypnotic GABA receptor पे act किए थे, but on different part. Directly we are targeting to the main person GABA, but here we are going via channels. Via channels means we are going with the metabolic enzymes associated with the GABA receptor, because the symptom here, the symptoms are associated with the disorder. So we are treating the disorder, we are making the metabolic cycle proper. जब हम लोग मेटाबॉलिक साइकिल को प्रॉपर करेंगे तो ये पर्सन कॉन्शियस हो जाएगा, ये हमको पता है, बिकॉज वी हैव नॉट डन हिप्नोसिस और सेडेटिव. हमने इसको सुलाया भी नहीं, हमने इसको ट्रीट भी नहीं किया, ये खुद से ऐसे हुआ है. टू ट्रीट दैट इट मीन्स दैट उसके अंदर कुछ ऐसी डिफिशियंसी है जो एसोसिएटेड है मेटाबॉलिक डिसऑर्डर से. सो वी आर गोइंग टू सीज दोस kind of intermediate molecules. So that's why these are not acting directly on the GABA receptor, but they are acting on the GABA receptor transaminase enzymes. ठीक है, these are acting on sodium channels. Okay, inhibiting sodium channel first, then inhibition of GABA transaminase enzyme. So drugs belonging to the category of vigabatrin. So these are the drugs or the क्या बोलते हैं इसको, न्यूक्लियस विगाबेट्रिन. दिस आर बिलोंगिंग टू द डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ विगाबेट्रिन. देन दिस इज वन ड्रग ऑल्सो, अगर डेरिवेटिव्स बन रहा है, दोज आर द डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ विगाबेट्रिन. गाबा 2 receptor, and third one is inhibition of T cells, T type calcium current. Inhibition of, by inhibition of T types, T cells, T type, T ABCD. T मतलब T चाय, T means tree. T type Ca++ calcium current. Calcium current means these are the metallic ions, sodium as well as calcium. Inhibition of sodium channel, then inhibition of T types of calcium current, not directly on the calcium channels, not acting directly on the calcium channel, but the signals which were associated with the calcium kind of pores, the signals not on directly to the principal part, but the principal part which is producing those signals, these drugs are acting on those type of calcium current containing enzymes. Then the drugs associated with it is ethosuximide. ठीक है, then last one, fourth one, by GABA agonist activity, not directly on GABA, not directly on enzyme, GABA agonist. GABA agonist activity. So GABA agonist activities are benzodiazepine, belonging to the category of benzodiazepine. ठीक है. So these are the 4 receptor 4 metabolic receptors, metabolic enzymes, where we are targeting with the anticonvulsant. Anticonvulsants are nothing but blocking of seizures as well as convulsion. हम लोग seizure और convulsion को कैसे block करते हैं? This is the condition of epilepsy. So this anticonvulsant drug directly acting on sodium channel, ठीक है, inhibition by inhibiting the sodium channel, acting by inhibiting the sodium, इतना याद रखो, acting by inhibiting the sodium channel, inhibiting the type of, ये याद रहेगा आपको, sodium channel inhibiting the type of calcium current, ठीक है, then GABA transaminase enzyme, then GABA agonist activity. GABA transaminase enzymes are vigabatrin, and GABA agonist enzymes acting GABA agonist drugs are belong to the category of benzodiazepine. Or sodium channel acting directly by inhibiting the sodium channel, phenytoin. Then acting on T types of calcium current is ethosuxinamide. Then the drug belonging to the category of succinamide, belonging to the category of hedontoin, belonging to the category of benzodiazepine. So these are the disorder which were associated with the anticonvulsant. Now we'll see the seizure. Seizure आपकी self study है. Then also we'll discuss the seizures in our next class. ठीक है? चलेगा, समझ में आई? You understood or you are having any doubt? तो बच्चों, मैं ही बोल रही हूँ, मैं ही बोले जा रही हूँ, कुछ बोलो आप लोग. Having any doubt? First of all, I will